need to start solutions. 1, f of x, 1 plus the root of negative x minus 7. We said step 1, you get this and equate it to 0. Get this to be 7, divide by -1, divide by -1. You get x is equal to -7. Take it in the function and get 1 plus root of -7 minus 7. That is 1 plus 7 minus 7, which is equal to 1. So what we have is -7, 1. So our sketch is -7, 1 there. Remember the family of functions here. If you're not so sure, let's try to get the y-intercept. That will be y plus -0 minus 7. That will be 1 plus the root of -7. So no y-intercept. So it means that it's going to the left. So it's going either up or down. Let's equate everything to 0 is equal to 0. Take 1 the other side. This is equal to -1, meaning that there's no x-intercept because the root positive cannot give us a negative value. So the only option remaining is going up. And that's the family where it falls. At least the mono got this one correct. Question 2. Question 2, f of x is equal to -1 minus x plus 3. We get x plus 3, take in the equate to 0, x is -3. This value we take in the function, we have -1 minus -3 plus 3, giving us -1 minus 0, which is -1. So our starting point is -3, -1. So we draw the function from -3, -1 there. Let's pick 0 to the right. F of 0 is -1 minus 0 plus 3. This is -1 minus 3, which is -4. -4 is less than 1, meaning that the function, the graph is coming down. If it comes down, it also go down this side. If we didn't know, you could try -4. You would get -1 minus -4 plus 3, giving us -1 minus -1 inside, which is -1 minus 1, which is -2, which is less than -1. So the function goes down. So that is the graph of it. Then the last one, 3, f of x is equal to the modulus of x plus 4 plus the modulus of x plus 6. This is where you are supposed to spend some time. It's x plus 4 if x plus 4 is greater or equal to 0. It's -x plus 4 if x plus 4 is less than 0. This means that x is giving us x plus 4 if x is greater or equal to -4, -x minus 4 if x is less than -4. The other piece, it is x plus 6 if x plus 6.
Kaya property x minus 4 guy we are dividing. Is it not the sign? Is it not changing there?
Not divide. There's no sign here. Are you seeing that?
Then when we say x minus 4 is equals to 0, then we move forward to the other side. Then
it will be moved as a negative, is it?
Yes.
Then there's no negative here to be divided.
All right, so.
So we even mentioned in the second class that what you put here is what you put there. You don't bring in any signs on this. The sign is just for this piece here. So don't confuse those with inequality. So here it will be negative x plus 6 when the same x plus 6 is less than 0 there, greater or equal to 0. Meaning that x plus 6 modulus is going to be x plus 6 if x is greater or equal to negative 6. Is going to be negative x minus 6 if x is less than negative 6. Now we have two numbers, negative 6 and negative 4. In between, negative 6 is less or equal to x, which is less than negative 4. We have an interval here. After x is greater or equal to negative 4, we have an interval here. Then x is less than negative 6, another interval here. From there, we have lines here. So this is the modulus of x plus 4, the modulus of x plus 6, and the function. Meaning, so now let's look for the modulus of x plus 4 when x is less than. So this one, when x is less than negative 4, it is a negative x minus 4. When x is greater or equal to negative 4, it is x plus 4. Where does this interval fall? This interval is for x less than negative 6. So when you compare to negative 4, this is less than negative 4, meaning that the function is still negative x minus 4 in that interval. Let's go to the modulus of x plus 6. When x is less than negative 6 in this interval, that function is negative x minus 6. When x is greater or equal to negative 6, x is greater here or equal to negative 6, the function is x plus 6. What happens when x is greater or equal to negative 4? This automatically is greater than negative 6, where that function is defined. So it will be x plus 6. Then we add them. Negative x minus x, we get negative 2x minus 10. And then 0 here, 6. 6 minus 4, we get 2. And then 2x plus 10. We can now sketch. The sketch is not even a very big thing. It's just like a small sketch. The function is constant from negative 6 all the way up to negative 4. Okay. So let me redo my sketch. It's heavy other side. Negative 6, negative 4. In between negative 6 and negative 4, the function is constant 2. And negative 6 is included, so included. and the whole there. That's a straight line. Then when x is -4, we substitute in this piece because -4 is included there. So we have 2 -4 plus 10. This is -8 plus 10, which is 2. So we get -4, 2, meaning we'll close there. And then when x is 0, we're just interested in knowing the y-intercept also. In the same here, it will be 2, 0 plus 10, which is equal to 10. So the function will go cross there. This value is known, is 10. Then we go to the left. When x is less than -6, let's say at -7, what happens? We have 2, -2, -7, minus 10. That will be +14 minus 10, which is 4. 4 is bigger than 2. So it's going this side. So that is the sketch. Fact is supposed to bend just as the other guy is bending. That's hard to draw, but that's how it's supposed to look like. Let me redo my sketch. Let's decorate it a bit. Now this one is not the one. That's one which is not looking good, conscious. Okay. So you've seen that on those points that we solved, closed here, closed here, for this line, then go this side, then go that side, at least now. That is how we sketch these type of functions. Okay, let me now send everything in the group.
So, sir, is it okay to assume that on the final piecewise, the final pieces, the
Yes.
first one and the last one, they are like opposite to each other?
Yes.
Okay.
But sir,
Yes.
hello. Since
Hello.
the piecewise has got those 4 inequalities there, how come the box contains 3?
Do we have
What
four
happens to the
inequalities?
other?
No, we only have 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm talking about the modulus function there when you resolve it.
Oh, that there are 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4.
Yes.
So we have combined the 2 somewhere.
Oh,
We've combined the 2 that falls in the same interval.
okay.
This is greater or equal to -4, is it?
Yeah.
Which one? Okay, no, this one. This is less than -4. And this is greater than -6. So we have an interval, -6, -4. The other one is taking this side. The other one is taking this side. So they are meeting here. So they gave us one function for that intersection.
All right. Thank you.
All right, guys. Okay, so we end here.